In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether your PayPal account is personal or business. This is a very quick and simple process, and you can do it directly from your PayPal account in just a moment. If you're not sure which type of account you have, this is the easiest way to confirm it. First, sign into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account page, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the gear icon there, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to your profile or account settings area. This is where PayPal shows important details about your account. On this page, you'll be able to see what type of profile you currently have. If your account is a personal account, it will say that clearly in your profile section. For example, here it shows a personal account. That means the account is set up for regular personal use, such as sending money, making purchases, or receiving payments on a smaller scale. If you have a business account instead, that will also be shown in this area. In many cases, business accounts also look a little different from personal accounts in terms of the interface. They often include access to additional business tools and features, which are designed for people who sell products, offer services, or manage payments for business purposes. So the main thing to do is simply open your settings by clicking the gear icon, then check the profile information shown there. That will tell you whether your PayPal account is personal or business. If you're comparing accounts visually, keep in mind that business accounts usually have more business-related options available in the dashboard, while personal accounts tend to have a simpler layout. That can be another helpful clue, but the profile section is the best place to verify it directly. And that's really all there is to it. It only takes a few seconds, and it's a useful thing to know if you're trying to understand what features are available on your account. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to check if your PayPal account is personal or business.